Lakshmi Kuttiyamma, respected dignitaries on the dais, school manager, Dr. Sri Lakshmi ma'am, principal, Ajay Umar sir, Dora teacher, dear parents, beloved teachers and my dear students. It is with great pleasure, pride and a deep sense of responsibility that I present before you the annual report of SVVM Higher Secondary School, Vellambalam for the academic year 2025-26. Established in 1975, the SVVM group of institutions is celebrating its golden jubilee in 2025, marking 50 years of dedicated service and excellence in the field of education. It is a matter of great pride that our school is an integral part of this memorable Golden Jubilee celebration. SVVM Higher Secondary School is a well-recognized institution under the Department of Higher Secondary Education. The school offers biomathematics and computer mathematics stream and also provides integrated coaching for NEET UG, JEE, KEEN, powered by Scholars Entrance Academy. Nestled in a serene and verdant environment, our Vidyalaya offers a highly conducive atmosphere for holistic development. Equipped with modern infrastructure, advanced laboratories, and upgraded sport facilities, this institution has consistently excelled in both academic and co-curricular domains. Academic excellence. The academic year 2025 witnessed remarkable performance in the plus 1 and plus 2 board examinations with an impressive pass percentage. Full A plus achievers in plus 1, Leah Jayashankar, Anu Jess, Hari Govind, Varsha Prasad, Mihara Hari. And full A plus achievers in plus 2, Sauvaniya Ranjit, Anuradha Anilkumar, Ananya S. Nair, Shweta Biju, Abid Mohammed, Paumani, Devika C. Vinod, Madhav B. Abhinand. We are proud to announce that Ananya S. Nair secured admission in SRM Medical College under All India quota. Shweta Biju gained admission to NIT Calicut. Devika C. Vinod was admitted to CET. Abid Mohammed secured admission to Government Engineering College, Thrissur. Paumani B. and Abhinand in SCT Engineering College, Trivandrum. Sports achievements. Our students demonstrated outstanding talent in sports at district and state levels. Amine Shivana, district level karate competition. Esther Mariam Tom, district level taekwondo. Vishwajit Sanjay, first place at state level Jeet Kunodo Championship 2025. To promote physical fitness and sportsmanship, regular sports coaching sessions are arranged in the Vidyalaya and regular training sessions are going on. These programs aim to develop stamina, discipline and a lifelong interest in sports. Plans are also underway to introduce more coaching in additional games to nurture more young talents. Formation of Student Council. The Student Council was successfully formed with Master Anand S. Nair as head boy, Kumari Mihara Hari as head girl. The investiture ceremony was held on 30th July 2025, graced by a school manager, Dr. Ajay Umar. Library initiatives. The Vidyalaya library has been modernized with over 10,000 books, magazines, periodicals and a growing digital collection for e-readers, fostering a strong reading culture among students. Special celebrations. World Environment Day was observed in 5th June with a plantation drive by our school administrator Sri Sandeep GS under the Ek Paid Maa Ke Naam campaign initiated by our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi. Varavelpu was organized on 18th June 2025 to warmly welcome our plus 1 students. The chief guest of the day was Dr. Sri Lakshmi Ajay. Reading Day was observed on 19th June in memory of Sri P.N. Panikkar to promote reading habits and language skills. Dr. B.V. Shashikumar, former HOD Malayalam, Kerala University, was the chief guest. Anti-Drug Day. Anti-Drug Day awareness programs were conducted on 26th June 2025 to promote a healthy and responsible lifestyle. The chief guest of the day was Sri Harishnan S., Excise Inspector, Excise Range, Thiruvananthapuram. Teachers' Day was celebrated through a student-teacher program, helping students understand the responsibilities of a teacher and to make teachers feel appreciated by seeing students step into their role. Stress management. A stress management session led by a renowned psychologist, Dr. C.P. Biji Vimala, was held on 19th October 2025, and it equips students to gain strategies to cope with stress and handle exam-related anxiety. Educational trip. A 3-day educational excursion to Kodaikanal was organized for plus 1 and plus 2 students. The excursion helps students gain practical exposure, encourage teamwork, and enriching their understanding of nature and local geography. Parent Advocacy Program. A highly effective parent advocacy program was organized under the expert guidance of Sri V.K. Anilkumar, a distinguished psychologist. The sessions highlighted the crucial role of parental involvement in shaping students' aspirations and decision-making. The Vidyalaya celebrated important national and international days including Independence Day, Onam, Kerala Piravi, National Constitution Day, and so on. Career guidance. Comprehensive career guidance and counseling sessions were conducted to expose students to diverse career paths beyond engineering and medicine. Events hosted. SVVM HSS proudly served as a host for a series of prestigious events. The Inter-School Kalolsavam on 15 January celebrating creativity, culture, and artistic expression. Special mentions. We express our sincere gratitude to SBI Altara branch and DCB Bank for their generous contribution of ₹8,000 towards the annual day celebrations. We are deeply thankful to our sister institution, Sri Vidyadhiraja Vidya Mandir High School Altara and Sri Vidyadhiraja English Medium High School Vallivala for their consistent support on various occasions. Gratitude to our team. As we celebrate the 51st annual day of SVVM HSS Vellambaram, we stand proud of our journey and achievements. From humble beginnings, the institution has grown into a shining example of educational excellence in the capital city. I place on record my sincere appreciation for our dedicated teaching faculty. Srimati Sheila Chandran Ramanandran, Vice Principal, Sri Santosh Kumar S., HSST Computer Science, Sri Pradeep JS, HSST English, Srimati Asha SK, HSST Chemistry, Srimati Asha Angel Rani, HSST Biology, Srimati Shalini SR, HSST Physics, Srimati Sujeda K. Nair, HSST Hindi, and Srimati Deepak P. HSST Malayalam. Along with our office staff, Sri Anil T. Nair, and our sub-staff, Srimati Regida S. The school sincerely thank the school managers, Dr. R. Ajay Kumar, Secretary, Sri Vidyadhiraja Vidya Samajam, Dr. Sri Lakshmi Ajay, Managing Committee Member, Sri Vidyadhiraja Vidya Samajam, our school administrator, Sri Sandeep GS, Academic Director, Sri Mohan S., Sri Rahul SB, and Srimati Raki Rajiv for their constant support, encouragement, and leadership. I am reminded of the inspiring words of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The way we bring them up will determine the future of the country. In conclusion, I express my heartfelt gratitude to everyone who contributed to our success. Let us continue to work together to reach greater heights and make SVVM HSS Vellambaram a true beacon of excellence in education. Thank you.